Sanibonani. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a great weekend. Hey, naye-ke indaba yokuphuza utshwala ngojeke nkosi yami after ukuphuza ama-long lions azuke wabonwa ngutata uMseleko watsho ukubana yintoni kaloku-ke ama-long lions lawa seniwasela ngojeke. Uyasho-ke uSneh, actually uSneh azama ukucacisela-ke kutata uMseleko ukubana uTirelo uthi bekasela utshwala inoba ube ne-stress, astresswa-ke ngumpumelelo ngendaba ka-Amahle with everything that is happening. So uSneh wathi azi-odela ujeke wakhe and then uTirelo wamjoyinisha-ke wathi hayi bakunjena kungujeke nkosi yami, I might as well, why not, ngoba ngiyagokisha nje, like there's nothing that is going well. Hayi umpumelelo-ke wasekaxelela utata uMseleko ukubana uTirelo came home adakwe drunk pap. Bayatsho-ke ukubana uphuza kanje ufike endlini asona adakiwe uSneh bekanaye, and-ke uSneh uzama ukucacisela utata-ke ukubana hayi yena ubezi-odela ujeke wakhe, and then uTirelo decided to join her also to drink utshwala lobo obabugcwele ujeke. Awu nkosi yami wababaza utata uMseleko athi hawu utshwala bani lolo oze seniphuzele ejegeni nkosi yami, nize ni-ode ujeke nkosi yami, awasekho namabhodlela noma nje uglasi munye, ningaze ni-ode ujeke. Ayi yile ndaba yojeke le yayifuna ukumisela utata uMseleko ngenhliziyo nkosi yami. Hhayi-ke uyasho nje ukuthi yintoni-ke ama-long lions lawa aselelwa phakathi kojeke. Eyi guys, kuningi, ake nicacisele utata uMseleko apha phansi ku-comment section ukubana yintoni ujeke, yintoni nalama-long lions, ngoba hhayi ubaba uMseleko nje went blind and deaf xa sekasiva le ndaba yojeke oselwayo owutshwala okuthiwa ngama-long lions. Yeyi kuningi Thixo wami, kuningi. Hhayi siyambona-ke uTirelo nje ukuthi hayi uyagokisha ugeli, usezeka-decide ukubana hayi mande zithi 1-2 glasses nje just to ease off and get off the edge, why not? So yeah, do you all guys agree ukubana umpumelelo is isithelela sokubana uTirelo asele-ke?